My dear students, class today we are going to start with your next unit, that is file handling, and this is the last unit of your syllabus in Python. And one more topic is left, that is related to data structure. That is little bit related to the previous program only, that is not new, but this is very new topic for you and very important. About 10 to 12 marks question will come from this chapter only. So class C. In this chapter we are going to study about data files, how to open the data files, closing of the data file, reading, writing. Reading means simply to read the file, means to get the data from there, and writing means if we want to edit that file or we want to add some more information to that particular file. So that's the reading and writing. Now class, in Python you have seen that when you make program and when you enter the data, that data will get washed away when you close the Python program, Python software. Now if we want to keep the record of those outputs, you can say we want to save those outputs. In that case, what you will do, either you will take the screenshot of those output and keep in a particular folder, or what you will do, either you will make the you can say record of it in your notebook. Now the thing is, here we will learn how to open and save and create a new file, that is a text file or a binary file. Basically in your syllabus it is a text file only. So suppose you want to have a notepad and where there you want to save your all the information permanently. So that can be done with the help of the file handling method. So class, that's the introduction. Now data files are of two type, text file and the binary file. Text file, you all know that you make your notepad files, you can say, and it stores information in ASCII code or Unicode. ASCII code, you all know, it includes all the 255 characters, that is alphabets, numbers, special symbols, all this can be stored. Now in file handling we will learn, in text file each line of the text is terminated, delimited with a special character known as EAOL, that is end of the line. This you are going to learn. Now in some internal translations take place when this ELO characteristic is read or write in Python. Read or write, written. In Python, by default, this ELO character is the new line character, that is slash, and this you have learned in Python already. Carriage return and new line combination /r/n. So class, this is your text file. And now talking about the binary file. Binary file is just a file that contain information in the same format in which the information is held in the memory. In memory, you all know computer is a machine and it knows only the binary language. So binary file can also be created with the help of file handling method, and this binary file will contain all the information in the form of computer's language, that also we can create. but mainly we are going to focus on this text file and different operation we are going to do. Now class, what all we can do: adding, modifying and deleting data in a file. Now reading data simply means to get information from the file. Writing data means adding, modifying and deleting. And appending simply means only the adding. Appending means adding only. You are already having a file and you want to add some more information to it. So that is the appending. As we have already done append in the list, also append in if you remember tuple, there also you have learned all this append word. Now the syntax of opening a file. First of all, you have to create an object. Suppose f1 is my object, and if I want to just open a file, I will write open. Then I will give the location of that file name location, as they have given txt. Texas is the file name and txt is the format of that file, that is text file. Now this will only open the file, but if you want to work on it, there are three ways, as I have told you. One is reading, another is writing and another is appending. So for reading a file, we will write R. Data.txt, data is the file name, txt is the extension, that is a text file, and R if you will write, then you can read that file. Now W. Now next is the W. W is the operation used for the write form. Means if you want to write something to it, means if you want to add some information to it, or if you want to delete the old information and write the new information, then you will write the W. Now the one more is there, that is A. As I have already told you, is to append. Append means only to add the information. We cannot delete the old information, only information can be added. So plus last, finally, the what is the syntax? File object created, path to file and the mode of the file. What mode you want to work with. So that's the thing. Now here the same thing is written, nothing new. Now your next topic is file object and file handle. File object used to read, write data to a file on a disk that is already kept in your computer, and file object is used to obtain a reference to the file. This is the file object actually. This is the file object, with the help of which now this file name is actually now f for you in your Python program. There it is data.txt, but for you it is f now. With the help of this f, we can do working on it. So it is the additional information, same as access modes, read, write or append. This is the chart, important chart. We are going to work with this binary file mode, text file mode, and this is the binary file mode. Only the difference is what we write here R, here we have to write RB, W, WB, B is for binary. Now mainly we are going to work with these three modes only. Now last is the closing of the file. Whenever you will open a file, you should close the file, because if you will not close a file, then anybody can see that file, anybody can open that file, you can say work on that file and can change your information. So for security purpose, whenever you will open a file, you will close a file. So for closing a file, syntax is file name dot close. Here in our Python program previously as f was used, so f dot close you will write simply. No need to write the file name that is kept in your that is that is in your you can say computer memory. We will use the reference of it. That's all class. Now in next class we will do some practical questions on it. That's all.